Welcome to How to Solve.
How to fix installed apps not showing on home screen for Android. First is you just swipe it down and tap on the search bar and the three dotted lines, and then you toggle it all the options that has an arrow. You toggle it on and then tap on hidden apps. So if you tap that one, you can see there the apps that are hidden. But in my case, I don't have hidden apps. So let's choose one that, let's say that it's hidden. That's it. And then you just tap on it and it is already unhide on that portion. Now, if it does not work, let's go to check your apps on your Samsung apps. Just check in there if it is hidden or placed there. And the third option is go to Play Store, check if it is already installed or not yet. And that's it. I hope it helps.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.